Here is the number one thing you need to review when deciding which platform to use for your Forex trading. Everything short of this video is for educational purposes only. The number one thing you need to review before choosing a Forex broker is regulations. Regulations is one of the major securities of you to know that your money are secured in any platform you may choose. One of the brokers I am using is PU Prime and is licensed and regulated by multiple international financial authorities. That way ensures your trading is secure, transparent, and compliant. The more regulations they have, the better. And also it's important from where they are regulated. And for example, you can see here, PU Prime is regulated number one from the Financial Services Authority in Seychelles, is regulated by the Financial Services Commission in Mauritius, and is regulated also from the Financial Sector Conduct Authority in South Africa. And especially if you're trading in Forex market, regulations is important. Now, what is foreign exchange? Foreign exchange, or in other words, Forex market, is the global marketplace where currencies are exchanged for trade, travel, investing, and cross-border businesses. We are talking about a market with a turnover of $7.5 trillion daily. And basically, you are doing contracts for difference. So you're accessing through leverage products currency pairs, for example, euro against US dollar. And it allows you to speculate on the rise or fall of the price of that specific currency pair without the need of owning that specific underlying asset. In this example, euro against US dollar. That way, it increases both potential returns but of course potential losses. That's why it's very important to have always a system which objectively tells you how and when to trade or not to trade, and a reliable broker in order to apply that system with the proper risk management. If you feel that you're lacking leads, you feel that you don't have people to speak about your business, your product or services, and you are stuck, then the sponsor of today's video is coming here with a solution for you. Leads Sniper is doing scraping of information and leads for a lot of years for a lot of marketers and business owners, and it can help you start having quality leads to talk to, and not just talk to, but also quality leads that you can convert to your products or services. They have a Google Maps scraper, they have a Google search scraper, they also have a Yellow Pages scraper and domain email extractor. If you want to learn more information about Leads Sniper and start having sales for your business, just click the link down in the description to learn more information. Now, let's get back to the video. And when you click the link down in the description, you create your account and log in. This is what you will see first. On the left side, choose the option promotions. And when you click promotions, it will load you to all the promotions page. You click the first promotion of the 100% deposit, and it will give you all the rules. You will go on the top right side, which says deposit now. You click that button. And when you click the deposit now button, it will load you the page to make your first deposit. And basically from your first deposit, you can get $1,000 bonus maximum, 100% of your deposit. And then from every deposit after that, you get a 20% bonus with a maximum of $9,000 deposit bonus, which basically, it helps you to have a higher trading power right from the start. And a great thing about PU Prime is their web trader. You get your deposit, you have a higher trading power, and you have the web trader where you can have on the left side all the pairs you want in the financial markets. You can do your technical analysis with all the technical analysis tools that you may need, like support, resistance, trend lines, Fibonacci levels. And on the right side, you have the dashboard where you can take a position, put your lot size, your stop loss, take profit, and confirm your position. And then on the bottom, you will be able to see all your open positions, pending positions, and position history. So click the link down in the description, create your account, make your first deposit, and get your 100% first deposit bonus. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel, and leave in the comments any questions you may have and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.